Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Green Dot prepaid debit Visa cards, and more specifically, we're going to answer the question, can you add your Green Dot prepaid card into the Google Pay app to pay for things and also to send people money? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the Green Dot prepaid debit card, they are definitely one of the more popular prepaid cards on the market right now. And basically what it is you just buy these little cards at a local retailer. So I actually bought this one at CVS. Then once you buy the card, then you can add cash, green cash, onto your prepaid card. Once it's on there, then you can use this Green Dot prepaid card at most places that accept debit Visa, which is most places these days. But can you use it on your Google Pay app? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Pay app. It's this white one with a colorful G for Google there. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. All right, I went ahead and opened the app now, and this is the home screen. So here on the home screen, they're going to have various notifications that Google has tried to send you, like this one letting me know that Google Pay money transfers are always free. But if you want to go ahead and add your Green Dot prepaid card to the Google Pay app, you want to look right down here at the bottom. So there's three different options: home, payment methods, and passes. If you're going to try to add your Green Dot debit card, you want to click on payment methods, which is the center one right here. It looks like it has a little credit card above it. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then in this screen, you're going to see any kind of payment methods that you already have set up with your Google Pay account. So right here, you can see I have a MasterCard. But if you want to go ahead and add your Green Dot prepaid card, you want to click this blue button here at the bottom with a plus sign. It's called Add Payment Method. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next this screen pops up and Google is asking for my 16-digit Green Dot prepaid debit Visa card number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen now. All right, I went ahead and added in the 16-digit Green Dot prepaid card there at the top. Next, Google's asking for the expiration date, security code, and also to verify the address that's associated with my Green Dot prepaid card. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information off screen now. All right, I went ahead and added in all of the required information from the Green Dot prepaid card. Next, this little blue button pops up towards the middle. It's called Save. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, and just after a few moments, this screen popped back up that shows the different payment methods associated with the Google Pay account. And it looks like, yes, you can add your Green Dot prepaid debit Visa card into the Google Pay app. You can see it right here on this top line. So if you were not able to add your Green Dot debit Visa card into the Google Pay app, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know why that might be. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.